Hello, welcome to the class of wireshark. Today we will learn how to install wireshark in Windows. So firstly, download the wireshark setup from wireshark official site, that is www.wireshark.org, and then click over the setup, and then system ask for the permission to install this program. So you have to click over to yes. After clicking over to yes, this dialog box will open where it's showing welcome to wireshark 2.2.7 setup. So this wizard will guide you through the installation of wireshark. So you have to click to next to start the installation process. Next, in this window it's showing the license agreement. So you have to read this license agreement. After that you have to click over to I agree. So after reading these license agreements, then you have to click to I agree. So after that, the next dialog box will open where you have to choose the components. So here you have to choose the components which you want here in wireshark. So select these components from here. So I have selected this, and here it's showing that the space required for installation of these all components is 171.2 MB. So click over to next. Here you have to select the additional task where you have to create the shortcut, that you want to create the shortcut for wireshark at start menu or wireshark at desktop icon. So select from here. So after making the selections, then you have to select the file extensions, the format in which you want to save your trace files. Next to it you have to click to next option. So here you have to choose the install location, or you have to navigate through the install locations. So here it select the C drive, program files, and then wireshark. So you can also go to here, browse, and select the particular folder where you want to save this program. Next it's showing the space required. So here it's showing the space required, and this total space available is this. After analyzing this or selecting the location, you have to click to the next. Next you have to install the WinPeak app. So here the WinPeak app is required to capture the live network data. So if you want to install this, you have to click over to this checkbox. Click over next, and then it asks for the installation of the USB cap. So if you want to install this USB cap, then you have to click over to this checkbox. So next click over to the install option. So here the installation of the wireshark will start. Next it's asking for the WinPeak app installation. So here we have to make the selection for this WinPeak app installation. So here you have to, here it's showing license agreement, so you have to click over to I agree for this installation. So now the installation process, install. So it's showing completion the WinPeak app setup wizard. So here it's install this WinPeak app, then click over to finish. So the installation complete, the setup was completed successfully. So click over to the next, and so it's showing completing wireshark 2.2.7 setup, and click finish to close setup. So if you want to run wireshark, you have to click over to this checkbox, or if you want to get the news about this wireshark, you can click over to this checkbox. So I want to run this wireshark later on, so click over to the finish option. So this is how we can install the wireshark in Windows. Thank you.